Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover question number 3. Question number 3 is we have to form the linear equation from the statements given and then we have to find the solution by the substitution method. Question number 3, part 1. The difference of two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. We have to find the numbers. So let's assume the greater number is x and smaller number is y. The difference between two numbers is 26. So the larger number x minus smaller number y equals to 26. This is the first equation. In the second equation, that is one number, that is larger number x is 3 times the smaller number. So we have to multiply smaller number by 3 to make the equal sign. This is the second statement. Now let us put value of x in the equation 1. X minus y equals to 26. X equals to 3y minus y equals to 26. 2y equals to 26. We have y equals to 26 by 2 equals to 13. We got the value of y. Now put the value of y in any one of the equation to get the value of x. X equals to 3 into y. Y is 13. So we'll get x equals to 39. We can verify the answer by putting the values in the equation. That is x equals to 39 minus 13. We will get 26, which is the right hand side. And if we put the value in the second equation, it is 3 into 13, that is equals to 39, which is the value of x. Now part 2. The larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. We have to find the angles. So supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Now let's assume larger angle is x degree and smaller angle is y degree. Statement 1 is both these angles are supplementary, so the sum of angles, that is x degree plus y degree, equals to 180. This is the first statement. And the second statement, that is the larger supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. We have supposed that x is the larger angle which exceeds the smaller, that is y, by 18 degree. This is the second statement. We have added 18 in y because y is smaller, and to make the equal sign we have to add 18 in the side of y. Now using the substitution method, let us put value of x in the first equation. We have x plus y equals to 180. X equals to y plus 18 plus y equals to 180 degree. we got the value of y equals to 81 degree. Now put the value of y in any one of the equation. We have x equals to y plus 18. Value of y is 81 plus 18 equals to 99. We can also verify by putting the value of x and y in equation 1 or equation 2. Part 3. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bat and 6 ball for 3800 rupees. And later she buys 5 balls and 3 bats for 1750 rupees. We have to find the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball. So let's assume cost of 1 bat is x rupees and 1 ball is y rupees. So the equation first will be 6 bat. We have cost of 1 bat equals to x rupees. So cost of 6 bat will be 6 into x rupees plus cost of 1 ball is y rupees. So cost of 6 ball will be 6y rupees. We are given with 7 bat and 6 ball. 7 bat and 6 ball. So equation will be 7x plus 6y. The cost is 3800 rupees. This is the equation 1. Now second equation 3 bat and 5 balls for 1750 rupees. This is the second equation. Now using substitution method, let us subtract x from the first equation. You will get x equals to 1 upon 7 in bracket 3800 minus 6y. Now put the value of x in the second equation. We have equation 2, 3x plus 5y equals to 1750. Value of x is 1 upon 7 in bracket 3800 minus 6y plus 5y equals to 1750. That is equals to 3 by 7 in bracket 3800 minus 6y plus 5y equals to 1750. Let's take 7 as LCM. We will get 3 into 3800 minus 6y plus 7 as LCM. 7 5s are 35y equals to 1750. 3 into 3800 minus 6 3s are 18y plus 35y equals to, send 7 to the right hand side, we will get 7 into 1750. That is equals to 35 minus 18. Three into 3800 equals to 11400 plus 35 minus 18 equals to 17 equals to 7 into 1750. equals to 12250. We will get 17y equals to 12250 minus 11400, that is equals to 850. We will get y equals to 50 rupees. We got the value of y. Now let's put the value of y in any one of the equation. We have the equation 7x plus 6y equals to 3800. 7x plus 6y equals to 3800. Value of y is 50. We have 7x equals to 3800 minus 6 into 50. You will get value of x equals to 500. So value of x is the cost of one bet and y is the cost of the ball. So cost of one bet is 500 rupees and cost of one ball is 50 rupees. Part 4. Taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge of distance covered. So the question is, taxi charges is one fixed charge, that is the fixed amount that they have to pay, plus the cost per kilometer, that is the charge for the distance covered. So there are two charges, one is the fixed charge and one is the cost per kilometer. Now for a distance of 10 kilometer, charge paid is 105 rupees, and for a distance of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is 155 rupees. What is the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? And we have to find how much does the person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. So we have to find the charge for 25 kilometer, fixed charge, and the cost per kilometer. We have to find these three things. Now let's assume the fixed charge is x rupees and charge per kilometer is y rupees. So the fixed charge, that is x rupees, will be charged for every distance, and the charge per kilometer is charged as per the kilometer traveled. So first, for the 10 kilometer, the cost is 105 rupees. So for 10 kilometer and per kilometer cost is y rupees. So 10y rupees plus the fixed charge that is charged every time, that is x, and the amount paid is 105 rupees. For the second statement, that is for 15 kilometer, total charge is 155 rupees, that is 15 kilometer and per kilometer charge is y rupees, so 15y plus x, that is the fixed charge, equals to 155 rupees. We got two equation. Let us subtract x from the first equation. We will get x equals to 105 minus 10y. Let us put the value of x in the second equation. We will get 15y plus x equals to 155. 15y plus x equals to 105 minus 10y equals to 155. That is equals to 15y plus 105 minus 10y equals to 155. We got the cost per kilometer, that is y, equals to 10 rupees. Now the fixed charge, that is x, we can put the value of y in any one of the equation, that is 10y plus x. 10y plus x equals to 105. We have the value of y, 10 into 10 plus x equals to 105. We have the value of x equals to 105 minus 10 into 10, 100. We got the value of x equals to 5 rupees. So the fixed charge is 5 rupees and charge per kilometer is 10 rupees. Now we have to find the cost for 25 kilometer. So for 25 kilometer journey, 25 into the cost per kilometer is 10 rupees plus the fixed charge that is paid equals to 5. We will get 25 into 250 plus the fixed charge 5. We will get 255 for 25 kilometer of journey. For 25 kilometer journey, total charge is 255 rupees. Now next part 5. Part 5 is a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, and if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. We have to find the fraction. Let's assume the fraction is x upon y. Now the statement, that is fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So if we add 2 to numerator, that is x plus 2, and 2 to denominator, that is y plus 2, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. This is the first equation. Second equation, that is 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, x plus 3, y plus 3, then the fraction becomes 5 by 6. This is the second equation. We have to find the fraction, that is x upon y. So we have to find the value of x and value of y. First simplify both the equation, that is equation 1, x plus 2 upon y plus 2 equals to 9 upon 11. Send y plus 2 in the numerator and 11 into the numerator. we will get 11 into x plus 2 equals to 9 into y plus 2. Send y on the left hand side and constant term on the right hand side. We got the first equation simplified, that is 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. Now the equation 2, that is x plus 3 upon y plus 3 equals to 5 by 6. Send 6 and y plus 3 in the numerator, we will get send x and y term on left hand side and constant term on the right hand side. 6x minus 5y equals to 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y equals to minus 3. This is the simplified equation number 2. Now write both the equation, that is 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now subtract x from the first equation, that is 6x equals to minus 3 plus 5y. You will get x equals to 1 upon 6 in bracket 5y minus 3. Now put the value of x in the second equation, that is 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. We have the value of x, that is 11 in bracket 1 by 6 in bracket 5y minus 3 minus 9y equals to minus 4. Simplify the equation. Eleven upon 6 5y minus 3 minus 9y equals to minus 4. Take 6 as the LCM, we will get 6 11 5y minus 3 minus 6 as the LCM, 9 into 6 that is equals to, send 6 to the right hand side and multiply 11 and multiply 11. Now simplify the equation again. Y equals to minus 24 plus 33, that is equals to plus 9 is the answer. Y equals to plus 9. Now put the value of y in any one of the equation. Let us put in the first equation 6x minus 5y equals to minus 3. Value of y is 9, that is equals to minus 3. 6x minus 5 into 9. We got the value of x and y. So the fraction x upon y equals to, value of x is 7 and value of y is 9. This is the answer. Part 6. "5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of the son, and 5 years ago, the Jacob age was 7 times of his son. What is the present age?" Let's assume present age of Jacob is X years and son is Y years. The statement is 5 years hence, or 5 years from now, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. 5 years from now, that is, present age is X, so 5 years from now it will be X plus 5 and Y plus 5. 5 years from now, age of Jacob, that is the side of X, is 3 times that of his son. Age of Jacob is more, so we have to multiply on the side of his son to get the equality. This is the first equation, and 5 years ago, that is present age is X, so 5 years ago age will be X minus 5 years and Y minus 5 years. 5 years ago the age of Jacob was 7 times. Age of Jacob is more, so we have to multiply on the side of his son to get the equality. We got two equations. Now simplify the equation. We have X plus 5 equals to 3Y plus 15. Take the constant on one side and variable on other side. You will get X minus 3Y equals to 10. This is the simplified first equation. Second equation, that is X minus 5 equals to 7, Y minus 5. X minus 5 equals to 7Y minus 35. Take the variable on one side and constant on the other side. We will get X minus 7Y equals to minus 35 plus 5. X minus 7Y equals to minus 30. This is the simplified second equation. Now let us subtract X from the first equation, that is X minus 3Y equals to 10. X equals to 10 plus 3Y. Put the value of X in the second equation, that is X minus 7Y equals to minus 30. X is 10 plus 3Y minus 7Y equals to minus 30. We have put the value of X, that is 10 plus 3Y. Now the equation becomes 10, 3 minus 7 is minus 4 equals to minus 30, minus 4Y equals to minus 40, Y equals to 10 years. We got the value of Y. We can put value of Y in any one of the equation. Let us put in the second equation X minus 7Y equals to minus 30. Value of Y is 10. Value of X is 40. So X and Y, the present age of Jacob and his son. So we can write present age of Jacob, that is X, is 40 years and age of his son, that is Y, is 10 years. In next lecture, we will start topic number 3.3.2 elimination method. Thank you.